Hello, check. Check. Good evening, everyone. I warmly welcome Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangla, Tourism Minister, Shri Bapon Lingdo, and all the dignitaries this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the band Aladiti, and right now we will be performing our very own original song entitled Ya Ya Chakrang Kun Samla Kadi. And this song is, the meaning of the song is empowering the youth to move forward with whatever they're doing. And before we start with our performance, I would like to wish every one of you a peaceful and a prosperous advanced Independence Day. Thank you. Rei thop yala ikam jing start what said bindi tulang natyar bakrau tulam hakmat yala gari lawe ki khun ki ti jong ka shong hanga happy. Crowd